Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting risk. Unplug the clock and remove batteries so you can safely access components. Use a quick visual scan of the cord and plug. Damaged insulation or loose prongs cause intermittent displays. Once done, test the outlet with a lamp or multimeter so you know power is present. Make sure your tools are on hand, a small screwdriver to open the case and a multimeter set to voltage to verify whether the clock is getting stable power. You now open the case carefully, locating screws and releasing clips to avoid snapping plastic. Once inside, inspect ribbon cables and connector pins. A loose or oxidized contact is a common cause of blank or dim displays. Transition to electrical checks. Use the multimeter to measure board voltage at the input and across the display driver so you can spot voltage drops. If you see corrosion, clean with isopropyl alcohol. If a connector is, you finish repairs by addressing the fault you found. Receipt cables, reflow any cold solder joints, or swap in a replacement display or power module to restore proper voltage and signal. Once parts are secured, reassemble following alignment marks so buttons and knobs engage correctly. Power the clock and observe the display for at least 24 hours to confirm stability. If problems persist, try a different outlet and recheck connectors. Intermittent failures often point back to a loose contact or a failing power supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.